Hi friends, this is Vicki with Grandma Vicki Crafts. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe that we like at Christmas time in our house, and it is mincemeat cookies. So in my kitchen aid I have added a half a cup of butter, and I'm going to add 1 egg to that. And I'm going to add 2 cups of flour with a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to mix that in along with 1 cup of sugar, and once I get this mixed up, I'm then going to add in 1 cup of mincemeat, and I'll be back. Now once you have all those ingredients put together and mixed up, this is what you should look like. So now we'll put it on our pan, and we're going to bake this in the oven at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. So here we are, our cookies right out of the oven. Now I did put them on a piece of parchment paper that I greased lightly, and I used maybe a little bigger than a teaspoon in size, and these ones did take about 14 minutes to cook. So if you are a fan of mincemeat, we enjoy mincemeat. If you're a fan, I think that you will enjoy this recipe, and I hope you'll give it a try. So I'd like to thank you all for watching, and if you haven't liked my channel already and shared it with your friends, please do so, and remember to always be kind. Bye now.